guys, what is up? Hey guys, what is up? It's Kehlani, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a easy and paper flip phone. Here it is. It's not glued yet. I will glue it. But anywho, this is how to make it. So I'm going to put this aside. So what you're going to need is any kind of marker. I'm going to use a metallic marker. It's a silver one, but can't see it. See? Okay. Paper, only one, and some scissors. So first you want to fold your paper. I'll put it on the ground. First you want to fold your paper into a hot dog style, which is just like this. Wait, not a hot dog. My bad. A hamburger style. Okay, so like that. Like that. So once you do that, you're going to fold it one more time. But from here, fold it hot dog style. This is really actually quick. Literally. Okay. So all you want to do is cut it from a line, let's say right here. How skinny you want your phone to be. So about right here. About one index finger. One index finger. Make sure you're cutting across, not like where the flap is, not where the folded part is, or it's just gonna mess up. So you're just gonna basically just cut that part. And now it's gonna be really long. Fold it. So what you're gonna do, you're just gonna get your thumb, put it right there, and that's gonna be the tile mark and where you're gonna cut it. And do the same thing with the other side. Now it's gonna be into kind of like this. Now once you got to do that on both sides, okay. Now just fold it in half, like this. Goes from here down. Now, there you go. See this? I want to throw this away. You need to put this somewhere. And now you can just draw your designs, which I am not gonna do because I am. But yeah. So now you're gonna draw your designs. Now we're gonna decorate inside. and then put on the screen whatever you're listening to, or what you want to put on. Here we go, here's your phone. Really and easy, simple to make. Really easy and simple to make. With only household ingredients. So here's the old one. Oh, I dropped it. Here's the old one. And I changed. And then here's the new one. It's 11 o'clock. You don't have to glue it. Honestly, it's fine like this. But I recommend gluing it just in case. Now you can call anyone you want. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you guys actually like your new phone. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching this video on how to make a paper flip phone, which basically actually worked out. Thank you guys for watching this episode. So yeah, I'm so tired. It's like night, like 9 o'clock, 9:51. But thank you guys for watching this video. I'm just kidding, it's like 6:51. I'm really tired now. Thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. Should be about, honestly, I think it's gonna be right here. Right here. Yeah, right there. Just click it. Just have it like, there, I clicked it for you. Hopefully you already subscribed, because I just tapped it for you. Hold on, let me try to do it. I'll click the like button. Right there. Yeah. Okay, then you liked it. You liked it. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just playing. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I am so tired. I am not gonna end this video right now. I can't do it. Okay, thank you guys for watching this episode. And thank you guys. Peace out. Take a chance.